Hey everybody, how you all doing? And welcome to my latest Tri-Bata workout. These workouts are designed for people who don't have a lot of time but still want to get a great workout in, so perfect for busy people. They're just 12 minutes long, and as the name suggests, 3 exercises in a Tabata format. And in this latest workout, we're going to do one of my 3C workouts, and that means it's going to be a cardio exercise, a core exercise, and a big compound fat burning exercise. So as always, let me quickly show you one round, and then you simply do it 8 to 10 rounds depending on your own fitness level. Let's go. So there you go, guys. I hope you had a lot of fun. Remember, if you enjoy these kinds of workouts, but you don't know how to combine them to actually create a workout program, then check out my 100% free 21-day Tri-Bata challenge over at 6weeksixpack.com/Tri-Bata. As always, guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on that like button. Leave me a comment once you've done this workout so I know how you all get on. And then until next time, have fun out there and keep it simple. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.